I'm the Brew Captain, and today I'm going to be showing you how to shotgun a beer. Let's get this started. Oh, the shotgun, an American tradition with deep roots in our fraternities and college campuses across America. A way to unite all, men, women, tall, short, and even the old. Shotgunning a beer is one of my favorite ways to down a beer. And it's pretty easy to do no matter what your skill level, once you know how to do it. You can do it to get the party started, use it as a team building, or just show off for the ladies because you don't know how to hold a conversation. And earn all the pride and fame from all your beer drinking friends. This video is going to show you how to shotgun a beer just like the Brew Captain. You want to find the weak spot on the can. It's usually going to be right around here. You don't want to poke up here because you want to make sure you get all the liquid. So take your thumb, kind of feel around the can, and find that first spot right here where you get that little dent. If you're using craft beer, it might not be a bad idea to go ahead and make an X first, but you got to get a cutting tool. So if you have a can that's a little bit thicker than normal, kind of make yourself a little X. X marks the spot. Cut it right there. And I'm going to kind of cut it right there. You don't want to press too hard, otherwise you're going to puncture the can. You also want to make this spot in line with this right here. Make sure when you're doing this, you tilt your can this way, because you don't want to take this knife and pop it in and look like a chump. Just like that. Some people use a knife. Some people use their car keys. Some people use a screwdriver. And if you're a real badass, you use your thumb. Whatever method you use, just try not to hurt yourself because nobody likes a bleeder at a party. I typically do use my thumb. However, in this, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do it with a knife because that's probably going to be one of the more common things you're going to use. So get your can. Make sure this is on the same side as where your hole is going to be. Make yourself a little X. X marks the spot. Tilt the can down and gently puncture. Once you have your knife in, go ahead, depending on how big your pride is and how fast you want to drink this, make your hole size. Wiggle the knife so that you have a decent size hole. Different people like different size holes, which is good because there's a lot of different size holes out there. It's all about what you can fit on your mouth. So I have my hole right here. I'm gonna go ahead and push in the rigid edges. And when I go to open this, I'm gonna face it towards my mouth. So when you pull it up, it's immediately gonna start pouring out of the hole. As soon as you open the top, it's gonna allow the airflow to push the liquid into your mouth. So we're gonna do it all in one motion, just like this. As always, drink responsibly. Try out a couple different ways. Find out what works best for you. Hit that like and subscribe button. And check out these videos popping up on the screen. Stay savvy, Brew Crew.